From Tokyo to Manila will not gatekeep this ramen shop, besties. Dahil to all ramen lovers, there's a new ramen shop in Makati, in Salcedo, na worth the stop. I'm in love with their sukemen, and ang best part pa is you can have it thinned out. So if it's too rich for you, you can adjust according to your liking. And also one of the most tender chashu's I've had, tapos slow cooked pala siya for 12 hours. So this, by the way, is Inosho, and they claim to have mastered the balance between deep umami flavors with a bold kick of spice. And they are not kidding when they say deep kasi their ramen talaga is rich. But no worries at all for ramen lovers who love their ramen na calm lang kasi you can have it thinned out naman. So we ordered the Inosho Tsukemen and the Kara Kara Uo ramen. And just like their claim, deep umami and spice talaga siya. Both were strong in flavors. Yung Tsukemen nila for me is more balanced. And if you're familiar sa Tsukemen shop in Shinjuku called Funji, flavors are quite similar. Bold flavors of pork and fish. Kara Kara Uo ramen naman is perfect for spicy lovers kasi you can have it from level 1 to level 3. Chose the level 2 and grabe may hagod talaga siya. Broth is more on the thicker side. This is personally too rich lang for me for a ramen pero RC enjoyed it. And it includes the most tender chashu. So tender and so good kaya RC also enjoyed the chashu gohan. Izakaya style din siya so you can order your favorite drinks. And surprisingly, we also enjoyed their Basque burnt cheesecake that you can enjoy in 3 ways, as is with amaretto sour or with matcha cream. Definitely a must sa inyong ramen bucket list. Kita-kita tayo ulit. Enjoy!